Just doing a quick run through of the free Excel staff holiday planner template that we've got, because we've got a few updates that have been made recently. So if we go to the download, so quick catch up of what it is. So free template, select the number of employees you need, add in a few more because it's a bit of a pain to add new ones afterwards, so better to add them now earlier than later. And select the start date of your month, click download, and you will get a Excel template. You'll have a tab for each month along the bottom, faces in the way, and you can set a holiday by entering, you got to click enable editing at the top, put in a letter for your holiday codes, and it will calculate all the absences for you for the month, and then in the totals tab for the year as well. So you can put in like allowance here and work out how much allowance is remaining, etc. The employee names, you can put them in on the first tab. So if I put in James here, then it will filter through to the other tabs as well. There is also the hours version of the template, which doesn't have the concept of leave types. You can just put in the number of hours that you're off. So there's no key in this version. You just put in 11 hours and that's what it tracks. So the totals tab is a lot simpler for this one. We have made a big improvement lately, which is the ability to customize the leave types. So you can delete these as you need, change the code, add a new row, add new types, select the color, etc. Yeah, and as always, you can extend the template for as long as you want. So you can make it run for 2 years if you want, but might get a bit unwieldy. Yeah, check it out, and check out our software product as well. Absentia is a link in the description.